Hey guys, a very warm welcome to RovitaS with a very simple yet yummy recipe of fried fish. So let's dive in. For this recipe you need 500 grams of any fish of your choice, lemon, cinnamon, cloves, salt as per taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste and mustard oil. All the measurements are also mentioned in the description box below. Marinate the fish for an hour with lemon, salt and all the spices. Add a few cinnamon and cloves to get a touch of fragrance. Deep fry or shallow fry them till crispy brown from both sides. And serve hot with green coriander chutney and mayo. This recipe just has the basic ingredients from your kitchen. So do give it a try and please subscribe to RovitaS for many more upcoming recipes. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.